6 were gifted, or 300 bits, or 3,000 bits. That's what it would have been. You guys did good. Thank you. For sure. You guys are better at it. You can recall messages or delete them in longer chat. That's good, yeah. But I mean, like, can you do that with Snapchat still? Can you like unsend a picture? Yeah, I think the Snapchat, I don't know why it is, but the Snapchat camera is pretty nice. Sorry. Okay, I think this is ice cream. Awesome, Mel. Don't be a bitch woman. Please ban me. You asked for a ban. I wish my girlfriend had some sense of humor like yours. Jesus, you're actually a trash person. What work you have? Sorry. You're so beautiful. And background, I had literally lost my mind. I should do unban sometimes. It'd be funny. Oh, nice. Okay. In hot and cold. I use Snapchat as like pictures. So I would take pictures through Snapchat. Because sometimes you just put a camera. Because sometimes if you take a selfie with a normal camera, it's almost too sharp. So if you have... It's funny. Oh god, why am I having... Like, okay, I get hungry and then I get really full really fast. Okay, I'm gonna put this... I'm probably gonna save this for later. Like, more of respectful followers too. That's a feeling I get. If you had a penis, that would be even better. A treat, I think so too. If I had both, oh my god. You got those baby.
And putting up a new backsplash. Missed you. Hi, Fergus. We have a problem. Okay, let's jump rope. What do you guys rate? You don't. $40 ring for 20 bucks. But like, what do you think? Back room or the bathroom or the boot van? Even my burps are spicy. They're so hot.